In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark in PDFgear. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Edit tab up top, and you want to click on the watermark over here, and click on Create Watermark. Now, from here, you first have to select the text you want to have. I'm just going to type in watermark like this. There we go. You can select the size. I'm going to do auto, and then the color as well. You can select the rotation, the opacity, and then, of course, you could do a tile, and then the alignment. I'm going to want it in the middle over here, and then you can select the range. You could do current page, all pages, selected pages, whatever you want, and I'm just gonna press OK over here, and it's gonna add a watermark just like this. Now, of course, you could go and then create a new watermark and just add a new one on here, or you could just delete this one by basically clicking on it, or not clicking on it. You want to go to the page number or watermark up top and click on delete watermark, and this is going to delete them, and you can just create a new one here if you don't like the previous one, and click OK, and it's going to get put onto the page. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.